How to lock or unlock US bank debit or credit card. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by going ahead and opening up usbank.com, and this is our following site. And from there, what we can do is we can log in into account. So for that, in the top right corner, we can find a login option that lets us into the login interface, where we can enter our credentials in order to log in. So go ahead and do so. Once we have done so, what we need to do is we need to tap on our debit or credit card on our account. So go ahead and look out for the credit or debit card on your screen, and you can select this option called card controls. Once we found it up, we can look out for lock or unlock card, or find toggle option, something like this similar, and we can just go and toggle this option on if we want to lock the card, otherwise turn it off if we want to unlock it again, unlock our card. And the changes should take the effect very immediately, so you can do so following out this method. Apart from that, there are other methods such as calling the number on the back of our card. We can ask them to lock or unlock our card if misplaced or suspicious activity, or if we have found it. We can use those options right here, and that's it. And locking the card is temporary. You can unlock it anytime. If your card is truly lost or stolen, you can report it and request a replacement instead, and then we should be able to control it. And that's it. Those are the methods we can follow up if we want to unlock or lock our card on the US bank. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.